I'm Leslie. And today I have a little haul for you guys. These are some things that I have bought in the past few weeks. And I also have a big announcement for you guys. It's actually a travel announcement, but I'm gonna tell you that at the end of the video. So stay until the end of the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can do so in the button down below. I'm also gonna be giving you all my social media link in the description box down below. And I think that's it, so let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to show you is this cute shirt. And this is from SheIn, but I actually got it from TJ Maxx, and this is this kind of like crop top shirt. I really love these details of the sleeves of the shirt, and it has like this white like leaves like pattern. But yeah, this is how the shirt looks like. I really like it. And also with a layered necklace, I think it would look really cute. But yeah, let's go into the next shirt. So this is the next shirt that I want to show you guys. It's this blue kind of formal shirt, and I bought this one because I'm gonna be traveling, like I said at the beginning of this video, and so I need formal outfits. So I got this one, and I think this is from the store Rebellion. I feel like it's a little oversized, but it's very comfy, so I really like that. And I love the color. Most of my clothes are either blue or black or white. So yeah, I really love the color. And then it has like on the sleeves, it's kind of like scallops. But yeah, this is the shirt, and it's supposed to be button on the back of it, and then also on the bottom it has like scallop details. Now moving on, I want to show you these leggings that I got from Victoria's Secret. And I've been so obsessed with this kind of leggings that has like this transparent fabric on the leg sides. So it is like this. And I actually got this one for $15. It was such a good deal. I went to the outlets the other day and I found these pair of leggings at Victoria's Secret. Now I want to show you some swimsuits that I got. Since summer is right around the corner. So this is the first swimsuit that I got. This is from the store Sonica Clothing, and they are actually very famous because I think last year they did a giveaway of a red suit, and like Instagram blew up. Everyone was reposting that picture, and so they did it again this year, and I'm a brand ambassador with them. So when I reposted that picture, they let me decide which swimsuit I wanted to get. So I decided to go for this black one. I like the way that it's in the back, that you can tie it. Sometimes they have a lot of discounts, so I would recommend you to go to their Instagram or their website and check them out. Then for the next one, I ordered it from the SheIn store, but unfortunately the bottoms didn't fit me. They were too small since I have a big butt. It's this yellow top. I really love it, especially because I'm brunette, and for the summer, once you get tan, I think yellow looks so good. So I decided to get this yellow top. Love these details of the straps. Both of the swimsuits that I got, they're so comfy. So I decided to get these tennis shoes. These are from Nike. They're in a color black. I love having black tennis shoes because they're easier to match with the rest of your outfit, and they're so comfy. These are especially for running. So most of my sandals are always brown or like a tan color. So I decided to go and get this black kind of like plastic Michael Kors sandals. And I love that they are kind of like the plastic material, because when it rains, especially here in Florida, it rains a lot. So they don't get damaged or anything like that. But they're a really good material, and I really love how they look like. And they're my first black sandals that I have in a really long time. I want to show you first this bracelet that I got for my birthday. A friend / co-worker gave it to me, and it has engraved my name, which is Leslie, and I think it's really cute. And then I also want to show you this charm that is a Mickey Mouse charm. It's from Pandora, and my mom gave it to me as well for my birthday, so I want to show you that. So this first one is the charm, well, the bracelet with the charm that says Leslie on it. And my friend / co-worker gave it to me, and then it has like hearts around the bracelet, and then I know it has like really small pink details like this. The Mickey Mouse charm is this one right here, and I was deciding whether to get the Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse, but I think Mickey is like more original. So yeah, my mom got me this one for my birthday, and it's from Pandora. Now that I'm talking about my birthday and my birthday gifts, I want to show you also my iWatch. And my dad gave me this one for my birthday. He had to travel, I think this on the same day of my birthday, so he got me this one, and I think it was like so sweet. He left it on my room before he left in the morning. Then moving on to more accessories, I got this heart sunglasses, and I got this one from Wish because I saw a similar one at Forever 21, but they were $8, and honestly, if I can get them for cheaper, I would totally look for them. So I got this one, I think, for $1, but I think they were too big for my face. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below if you like them or not. I feel like they're too big, but probably for a photo shoot they would look really, really nice. So I don't know, I guess I'll try them in pictures or something like that, and I see if I keep them or I give them away. Then if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I'm obsessed with Disney, and I decided to buy 2 pins for my lanyard where I have my pass for Disney and for Universal Studios. So I decided to get 2 new pins, which are the Anna pin from Frozen and the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. And Alice, Rapunzel, and Tinkerbell are like one of my top favorite characters from Disney. So yeah, I'm so happy. I've been growing this pins family little by little. And finally, I'm almost done, I swear. I got these 4 palettes from SheIn, and if you've seen my last video, which I'm gonna give you the link down below if you want to watch it, I did a first impressions and a full makeup look with this palette, the Aftershock. And so these are dupes from Huda Beauty, and I've been obsessed with this palette. I've used them so much, and they're vegan. 4 palettes for $30 from the app SheIn. So if you want to get them, I'm gonna try to leave a link down below in the description box so you can check them out. And also I decided to subscribe to this page that is called Ipsy, and you pay $10 a month and you can get buy makeup samples from really good brands. And so I got this little bag from them. They gave me this eyeliner that is from Ico, and it's really good. I really like it. It's more like a marker eyeliner, and I tried it the other day and it's really nice. I think it's easier than using a liquid eyeliner. And then I also got this leave-in conditioner spray. I haven't used this one, but I actually forgot that I had it. But I'm gonna start using it, and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. Then they also gave me this eyeshadow from Beauty Basics, and then they also gave me this NYX lip cream on a matte color. It's like a nude. It says that the color is called Abu Dhabi. So this is the NYX matte lip cream. And then they also gave me a makeup brush. It was more like a blending eyeshadow brush, but I don't know where I left it. I have kind of a mess here, but yeah, I think they were really good products for only $10 a month. So big news, my travel announcement. I'm gonna be traveling to Boston. I applied for an internship. I actually applied for an internship at Pittsburgh and another at Boston, and I got rejected at Pittsburgh first. So I was like kind of depressed. I really wanted to experience something new, have hands-on on my career field. I'm studying computer engineering, so I decided to apply for these internships, and then I was told that I was accepted into Boston for the internship. So the program is called Station 1. Oh, Summer Station 1. Yeah, that's how the program is called. And I'm gonna be there for 10 weeks. So I'm not sure how many videos I'm gonna be able to upload. And I'm also gonna be like kind of vlogging while I'm over there if I have time. So you guys can come with me and I can share my experience with you guys and learn from all of this. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to edit them. So that's it, those are the big news, and that was it for this haul. So I hope that you really liked this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions on what you want to see next, you can let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications button. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.